This is CryptoKernels. I am your host, Asa Kane. In this episode, we're going to be looking at Rarible. Now, if you haven't subscribed already and you want to make sure that you don't miss out on any CryptoKernels, go ahead and subscribe by clicking our logo down at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. First of all, I want to share with you guys some of our brand new merch that we just got in. As you can see here, this is our mask. It's a cloth face mask because we are, as you know, still in the midst of a pandemic. It comes emblazoned with your very own CryptoKernels logo. It comes in red, black, and white. One size fits all. It's machine washable. We've also got in our brand new iPhone tough cases, which come in an assortment of colors as well. Red, black, and white. They come with our logo etched on as well in fine detail. It also comes in every iPhone size from 6S through 12 Pro Max. So pick up your CryptoKernels merch today. We've also got several other new products, including shot glasses and stainless water bottles, as you can see here. My favorite is coffee mug. I use that for coffee as well as tea. And this is all in part with our partnership with Teespring. Now, Rarible. What is Rarible? Rarible is a creator-centric NFT marketplace and assurance platform that utilizes the RARI Token to empower users who actively interact with the protocol. Users on the Rarible platform can easily create non-fungible tokens, NFTs, for unique digital items like artworks, game items, and more. The platform offers a fully featured marketplace that is filtered and sorted using different categories to create a smooth and easy user experience. Anyone can create and post NFTs on the Rarible marketplace. The Rarible token is a fundamental pillar of the platform as it is used to reward active users for participating in the governance of the protocol. What makes Rarible unique? Rarible intends to become more than just a marketplace for digital collectibles and art through blockchain technology. The platform is used to create and sell their digital products with zero barriers to entry while still benefiting from the security enabled by blockchain technology. The Rarible platform and protocol is an autonomous ecosystem that is governed by RARI holders, who are tasked with voting on governance proposals. In time, Rarible intends to transition to a fully decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO structure. The entire NFT ecosystem is still fairly new, but Rarible is already aiming to use part of the revenue to subsidize the first mint transaction, NFT creation transaction, for users, in addition to other business strategies to fuel the growth of the platform. The Rarible protocol is a solution to the limitations faced by the intellectual property market, such as challenging licensing and paperwork requirements. NFTs instead represent an easily accessible alternative available to anyone with just a few clicks. How is the Rarible network secured? Rarible is a platform built on the Ethereum network. Its native governance token, RARI, is built on the ERC20 token standard. The tokens created on the platform are minted using the ERC721 non-fungible standard and are secured by the Rarible protocol. Both ERC20 and ERC21 tokens are transacted on and secured by the Ethereum mainnet. The transparency of the Ethereum blockchain can be used to certify and guarantee the uniqueness of NFTs traded on the Rarible Marketplace, ensuring creators and collectors can be confident that the tokens are genuinely rare. Who are the founders of Rarible? The Rarible team is based in Moscow and was co-founded by Alexei Fallon and Alexander Sankov in early 2020. Alexei Fallon is Rarible's CEO and also the co-founder of StickerPlace, a computer software company that specializes in stickers. He graduated from the University of Southern California and the Higher School of Economics in Moscow. Alexander Selenikov was the co-founder of Zenome and the ICO director of Humanic, a blockchain-based project that provides tools to the unbanked. He has founded more than 5 successful companies in the past and has extensive experience as a product manager. He now works as Rarible's head of product. Their entire Rarible team consists of almost a dozen employees, many of whom are artists. Now we take a look at Rarible on here on CoinMarketCap. We can see that it's currently ranked number 440 out of over 8,500 tokens. Its current price is just over $11 per token. It's up over 2.5% since yesterday. Its market cap, as you can see here, is 50 million. The max token supply is 25 million. The circulating supply, which we can verify right here through CoinMarketCap, is currently 4.5 million. So roughly 20% of the token. 6 qualifying questions. Number 1, what does the coin or token do? What purpose does it serve? Number 2, what is its market cap? Number 3, what is the total token supply? Number 4, who is the CEO? Number 5, does it have a digital footprint? And lastly, number 6, does it have a loyal and active community? Now, these 6 questions must be asked and answered by you each time that you are considering investing in any token or coin. If you want to buy Rarible tokens, you can do so on Binance. Binance is the largest exchange in the world. They have very low fees. We've included a link in the description of the video that you're watching right now. And there is also a link at the bottom of our About page. You see right there. You click on that link, it takes you straight to Binance. And you just put in your email address as well as create a password. And your account will be set up in 5 minutes or less. Now we've also included some kernels from crypto.com where you can also buy Rarible at. $25 in free crypto just for signing up and creating an account, as well as $10 in free Bitcoin from Coinbase. All you have to do is make a purchase of $100 in crypto and you'll get $10 in free Bitcoin. And one other thing that's very important is protecting your crypto, to never leave it on any exchange for an extended amount of time, which is why we've included a link to our partner Ledger. Ledger is one of the leading manufacturers worldwide of cold storage wallets. They have several different models to choose from. You move your crypto from the exchange that you have it on directly onto your Ledger wallet. You can take your wallet with you anywhere you go in the world and your money is safe with you. So basically, when you buy a ledger, you're buying your own bank. One thing that I cannot stress enough is no matter where you buy your cold storage wallet from, make sure that you always buy from an authorized retailer. Because if you buy on Amazon or eBay or any third party seller, that means that you're buying not from the manufacturer, but from someone else who has owned your wallet before you, meaning that they have access to your keys and in essence have access to your money. So never purchase from a third party seller. And if you want to support the content in the channel, you can get your merch right there on the link. And you can also contribute directly to Cash App. And until next time, get in there and make it happen now.